Hi guys, welcome back to Tea Time Denise. Today we're going to be opening cookies.
I got y'all.
But then we're going to be playing with toys in here.
Girl, bye.
And we're going to eat some pickles.
Girl, bye.
And we're going to drink all of our milk. Wait.
Ooh, okay. So we have our cookies. Look at our shiny, beautiful cookies. Our cookies are done.
I'm going to eat.
No. And we have milk. So she's green milk. I have some purple milk. Y'all see the color? Green and purple. Beautiful.
What's your green and purple mix?
I don't know. Okay, so now we're just gonna. They're so easy. You can literally just pick them up with your own hand.
Can I do it too?
No. I just washed my hands.
I wanted to wash my hands. I'm gonna pick the.
So, Mom, I say that we can only have 4 cookies.
4?
Yep.
And now we go all these away.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so we don't do any of them.
We're gonna eat all of them?
No, we're gonna give them to Mom.
Huh?
It's gonna be a late birthday gift. Oh my God, my brow shines. Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay, get 4 cookies.
1.
Get 1 of each. Here, I got you. 1, there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your 4. And I get my 4.
I want strawberry.
2, 3, 4.
Got all
That
your
way
4.
we put our cookies in there and ready.
Yeah. Got turn.
Okay.
I have a pumpkin one.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's try this one first. Let's dip it in the milk. Oh, let's dip it in the milk.
Uh-oh.
That's
It's
perfect.
not gonna
It's fine. Just pick it up. I clean the floor. Now just dip it in your milk. Dip it a little in your milk. Okay. Tap, tap, tap. Now let's try it. Mmm. Mmm. Tastes like a strawberry.
try these ones now.
We have to eat all the pink one. Are you full of noodles? Because she ate noodles before we did this.
Yeah, I'm full of noodles.
Do you want? Okay. You're full?
Huh?
Are you full
Full of what?
of noodles?
Yes.
Okay. So you're just going to eat 2
Why?
because you're full of noodles. Eat 2 of those and then you can have some of those.
Okay.
Mm.
This one is going to be great.
Stay over here. Okay.
I got some on my hands.
Mm. Mm.
I got it all wet. Oh God. Can I eat it?
Yeah.
I'm
Mm.
so scared.
So do you like it?
I ate this one.
That's okay. Stacking the cookies.
Uh-oh.
Okay, 1 more stack and okay, you can put your cookies on the tray now. Okay, let's off all the cookies. I got you. Okay, but don't spill your milk.
Can I drink it too? Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
You try. It tastes like milk. Okay. How's the pink one to you?
Gross.
You don't like the pink one?
No.
Okay. No.
I like the chocolate one.
Okay, now let's try the chocolate one. Ready? Dip it in the... Okay, girl. Okay, calm down. Okay, let's
I
dip...
like milk.
Let's dip it in here. I dip my whole thing inside. I dip my whole thing inside. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Why don't you try this again?
Ew.
Ew.
Girl, eat that. No, you like it. Eat that. I hate chocolate.
What do you don't like about chocolate?
It's chocolate. That's the point. I hate chocolate. So you love chocolate, so
That's why somebody called me Chocolaka.
okay.
And then, guys, I'm still wearing my shoes.
No, you are not. None of us are wearing our shoes. I got too tired of walking around in heels. And then she got too tired of just walking around in it. That one's the nastiest cookie ever.
Let's try.
Those are yours. Eat yours before you get another. Are you full of noodles? Because you said that you were full of noodles. Exactly.
I'm full of
eat
noodles.
these only. Then you'll get more later after your stomach digests. Okay.
You have one.
Last one. Okay?
Yeah.
But you gotta eat those first.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna try the ghost one while she's eating hers.
Ew, gross. This
So,
one.
eat it.
I'm gonna eat this one.
Okay. I got you.
For what?
I got you.
For what?
For eating that before you eat those. Tom's over here looking out the window. Mmm.
He sees some family out there.
Mmm.
Chopper.
You can't have any cookies, okay?
Yes, it
No.
can. Yes, it
Go
can.
try to kill this dog. Go home.
This is his home right here.
Eat the cookie.
My milk is almost gone.
That was mine.
Look, mine is all the way down here.
It's all the way down here.
So geez, you didn't mix it all the way.
It's fine. Eat that cookie. You said you wanted it. I'm gonna try this one.
Chunky, it's got some green on it.
It's okay, it's fine.
Good. It's good. E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U. Chunky, look at this one.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that one. That one, that one,
Guys, I
that
decorated this whole thing in less than 30 minutes.
How? How did you decorate this?
Hung it all up, glued it to the wall and all that. Leave it on.
What about this?
I hung it up.
This. Chunky, this.
I hung it up. Y'all can find all this stuff behind me at Dollar Store. Not sponsored though.
Oh, this came from Dollar Store too. Right, guys?
Okay guys, we're gonna get ready to wrap up this video.
And we're going to get to the cupcakes one.
I'm not even doing the cupcakes one.
Yeah?
No.
Okay, bye-bye, guys.
I got it. Get your butt back over here. I got it. Come over here.
Okay.
You know what? She can do it.
Yeah.
You have to end it.
Boy.